Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0341 indicates an issue with the camshaft position, CMP sensor, and crankshaft position, CKP sensor, that suggests an incorrect phase detected. The relationship between these two sensors is critical for the engine's timing, as they help in ensuring that the engine valves open and close at the right intervals. Located within the engine assembly, the CMP sensor monitors the position of the camshaft, while the CKP sensor keeps track of the crankshaft's position and rotational speed. Both sensors send their data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which makes real-time adjustments to maintain engine efficiency and performance. If these sensors are misaligned or providing incorrect information, it can lead to significant issues in engine operation, including misfires and reduced fuel efficiency. The DTC P0341 specifically refers to the detection of an incorrect phase between the camshaft position sensor and the crankshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor, located near the camshaft itself, plays a crucial role in monitoring the timing of the camshaft rotation. Similarly, the crankshaft position sensor, situated at the crankshaft, tracks its rotational speed and position. Both sensors are essential for the PCM to synchronize the engine's timing effectively. Additionally, a poor connection or faulty wiring harness can contribute to the incorrect phase reading, necessitating a thorough investigation of the wiring and connectors. Location-wise, these sensors are integrated within the engine assembly, making it imperative for technicians to access them carefully during diagnostics. Several factors may contribute to the DTC P0341 being triggered. One of the primary causes is incorrect camshaft timing, which can arise from improper installation or wear of engine components. Additionally, a damaged or stretched cam chain can further lead to timing discrepancies, causing the camshaft and crankshaft to operate out of phase with one another. Furthermore, poor connections at the CMP sensor, CKP sensor, or PCM can lead to intermittent signal disruptions, resulting in unreliable data being sent to the engine control system. Each of these issues must be addressed to restore the vehicle's engine functionality. Identifying the root cause accurately is essential, as failure to do so might result in recurring problems or improper repairs. The symptoms associated with DTC P0341 can significantly impact the vehicle's performance. Drivers may experience engine misfires, which occur when the air-fuel mixture does not ignite properly due to timing conflicts. This leads to a noticeable loss of power and poor acceleration when trying to gain speed. Additionally, the incorrect timing can result in reduced fuel efficiency as the engine struggles to operate optimally. Often, these symptoms can be compounded by rough idling, particularly when the engine is under load. Furthermore, in more severe cases, the vehicle may exhibit stalling or failure to start altogether, indicating a substantial issue that requires immediate attention from a certified technician. Timely identification and repair are crucial to prevent further damage and ensure smooth operation. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC P0341 involves checking the camshaft timing. This is critical because if the camshaft is timed incorrectly, it can lead to improper phase detection between the CMP and CKP sensors. The technician should refer to the vehicle's repair manual for the correct specifications and procedures to accurately assess the camshaft timing. If the timing is confirmed to be accurate, the technician can proceed to the next troubleshooting step. However, if the camshaft timing is found to be incorrect, it is essential to reset or adjust the timing before moving forward. Ensuring proper timing will allow the sensors to function as intended, providing reliable signals to the PCM. The second troubleshooting step focuses on examining the cam chain for any damage or stretching. a worn or damaged cam chain can substantially affect engine timing, contributing to the incorrect phase detection reported by DTC P0341. The technician should visually inspect the cam chain for any signs of wear, skip teeth, or other physical damage. Additionally, it is important to verify whether the chain has stretched beyond its allowable limits, which can be detrimental to engine performance. If damage is confirmed, the technician will need to replace both the cam chain and the cam chain auto tensioner to restore the engine's timing and performance. Proper functioning of the cam chain is essential for maintaining alignment between the camshaft and crankshaft. In this step, technicians will conduct a thorough check of the powertrain management fuel injection (PGM-FI) system. This component plays a crucial role in controlling the engine's fuel mixture and overall performance. The technician should first press the engine's start-stop button to switch the vehicle to the on mode, indicating that the system is engaged. Following this, the technician needs to reset the powertrain control module, PCM, using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. Resetting the PCM clears any stored codes, including the DTC P0341, allowing for a fresh diagnostic assessment. Close attention must be paid to ensure that the PCM is reset properly, as any errors in this step could lead to inaccurate readings in subsequent processes. Once reset, the technician should continue with the CKP pattern clear procedure to prepare for further diagnostics. The fourth troubleshooting step involves performing the CKP pattern clear procedure, which is vital for ensuring accurate sensor readings after the PCM reset. By clearing the CKP pattern, technicians allow the PCM to recalibrate and gather new data regarding the crankshaft's position as the engine operates. This process is essential because it helps eliminate any previous discrepancies in the data that may be contributing to the DTC P0341 error. After completing the CKP pattern clear, the technician should then proceed to perform the PCM idle learn procedure. This step is required for the PCM to adapt to the engine's new operating conditions, including factors such as idle speed and throttle response. Following these procedures guarantees that the system is primed for the final learning processes to ensure optimal engine performance. In the fifth troubleshooting step, the technician focuses on performing the CKP pattern learn procedure. This is a crucial step in the diagnostics, as it enables the PCM to learn the new crankshaft position data after resetting and clearing previous codes. To accomplish this, the technician must ensure that the engine is running and idling smoothly, allowing the PCM to gather the necessary data. This learning procedure recalibrates the timing settings and aligns the information between the crankshaft and camshaft, thereby aiding in the resolution of the DTC P0341. This process requires the vehicle to be stationary, and the technician should monitor the engine's performance closely to ensure that there are no interruptions or irregularities during this phase. Once the learning process is completed, the technician can proceed to check for any new confirmed or pending DTCs. After completing the CKP pattern learn, the sixth troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for a designated period. This idling time is crucial, as it provides the PCM with an opportunity to process and integrate the new data gathered during the learning procedures. Additionally, by maintaining the engine at idle, technicians can observe the current operating conditions and assess whether the engine runs smoothly without generating any error codes. After a set period, the technician should use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. The presence of DTC P0341 at this stage indicates that the issue persists, signaling that further investigation into the wiring or connections may be necessary. Alternatively, a lack of error codes suggests successful resolution of the previous problem. Once all the troubleshooting steps have been completed, the technician must verify that the repairs were successful. This process involves conducting a thorough check of all connections made during the repair, specifically at the CMP sensor, CKP sensor, and PCM. Additionally, the technician should carry out a test drive to observe the vehicle's performance in real-world conditions. During the test drive, monitoring the engine for any signs of misfires, hesitation, or stopping will provide further insights into the repair's effectiveness. The PCM should also be reviewed one last time using the HDS to ensure no additional DTCs appear. Successful verification not only confirms the integrity of the repairs, but also assures the vehicle owner that the issue has been resolved satisfactorily. Preventive maintenance is critical for avoiding issues related to DTC P0341 in the future. One essential practice is to perform regular timing checks to ensure that the camshaft and crankshaft remain synchronized at all times. Regular timing checks can help identify misalignments early, allowing technicians to rectify them before significant issues arise. Additionally, inspecting the cam chain regularly can help catch any wear or damage that could lead to timing discrepancies. By being proactive about maintenance, vehicle owners can significantly reduce the likelihood of unnecessary engine issues and ensure prolonged vehicle performance. Keeping these components in optimal condition will help maintain the integrity of the engine's timing system and improve overall reliability. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0341 related to the CMP and CKP sensors is critical to maintaining the Honda HR-V's performance. Through systematic troubleshooting, including checking camshaft timing and verifying the condition of the cam chain, technicians can accurately pinpoint the root cause of the issue. Regular maintenance, focusing on timing checks and sensor inspections, can prevent these issues from arising in the first place. Understanding the role of both the CMP and CKP sensors is essential for diagnosing problems effectively and ensuring proper engine functionality. Vehicle owners should be aware of early symptoms such as engine misfires and reduced fuel efficiency, which serve as warnings that a professional assessment may be needed. Always consult with a qualified technician for any persistent operational issues to avoid further complications. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.